Today I'm sharing 5 must-have car accessories that aren't just for show, but they'll also make your daily driving experience safer, smarter, and much more convenient. Whether you're upgrading an old car or making your current ride even better, these accessories will definitely pay off in the long run. First up is the CarPlay Screen. If you're still using your car's outdated stereo system, you should definitely consider upgrading. With CarPlay, your phone seamlessly syncs with your car's display, giving you access to navigation, music, messages, and calls. In the long run, it makes your driving experience way more convenient and safer. Next is dash cam. Dash cams are like insurance for your car. Whether it's capturing an accident or just recording your drive for fun, dash cams are actually a crucial safety feature. Consider a dual dash cam if you're getting one. If you're even in a situation where you need proof of incident, having clear footage can save you a ton of hassle. It helps you from fraud and can even lower your insurance rates over time. Most dash cams can be hardwired to have the parking mode. That means they can record even when your car is parked, keeping an eye on things while you're away. Another essential accessory you need to have in your car is the backup camera. It might seem like a small upgrade, but the peace of mind it offers is huge. From a recent study, over 200,000 accidents happens every year because of rear visibility issues. It makes it easier to avoid small objects and ensuring safety for pedestrians, especially children, and this accessory could save you from unforeseen incidents. If you're new here, I am documenting modernizing my 18-year-old 2007 Lexus IS350 by fixing the infamous sticky dashboard with a premium suede interior. I've also updated all the tech, bringing in all kinds of cool features that a 2024 Lexus has. I'm also exploring into the segment of flipping auction cars, buying for cheap, and fixing mostly everything by myself and sharing it all here on this channel, so make sure to follow along. Ever been stranded with a dead battery? It's one of those moments you wish you were prepared for. A portable jump starter is a lifesaver. It allows you to jumpstart your car without needing another vehicle, which is perfect if you're on the road in the middle of nowhere or if it's late at night. I recommend getting an Auxito jump starter. It is palm size, affordable, and you could jumpstart your car battery about 40 times in a single charge. Over time, this little gadget can save you from waiting for a tow truck or even help you avoid costly roadside assistance bill. Next is a portable OBD reader. Whenever that stupid check engine light pops up, this tool lets you plug directly into your car's ECU and display the problems on your phone. Instead of rushing into the mechanic and paying for a diagnostic fee, you can save both time and money by figuring out what's wrong yourself. Plus, this OBD2 can read and clear error codes. As you know, sometimes error codes also pops up and disables your VSC and traction control, but always make sure to address all the DTCs. So there you have it, guys. 5 car accessories that will not only improve your driving experience but actually save you money and stress in the long run. If you like this video, make sure to check out my other content where I completely changed my interior and many other things all by myself. Let me know in the comments below what other car accessories should have made the top 5 list. If you have learned something new, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.